Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club, and I am playing with this Outdoorsy kit, and this is the first layout I will be doing with it, so I'm like, where do I even start? I have so many great things. I've got these papers, pattern papers from I Have Simple Stories, Trail Mix, as well as Boho Sunshine, and I've got some Carta Bella here, there, everywhere. I have got, and guys, I've done an unboxing, so I won't put you through the whole thing. I've got two different alphas that are pretty cool. I have got two different kinds of chipboard here. I've got foamy bits, so I've got so many different things I can do for titles, which I love to have those options, right? I also have the new stamps. I've got the Nope stamp set and the Outdoorsy stamp set, so those are great. I've got the cutest little flare. I've got little craft colored shapes. I have got confetti, brads, these frames, and oh, but wait, I have two different kinds of die cuts. So guys, I am stocked with treasure for this kit. I'm super excited. The photo I want to use is this photo. This is my daughter, and she was up at a family cottage, cottage, I guess we'll call them, on a lake. And she just sent me a quick pic because, you know, she was gone for a couple days. So my girls tend to send me kissy pics. Somebody asked once, what's with the duck faces that your daughter sent? And I'm like, actually, they're kissy faces, not duck faces. So different thing when they're blowing their mama a kiss. So the big idea I had was my daughter's wearing navy, and this stripe through the navy, I kept looking at it going, yep, definitely want to zero in on that, right? So I'm going to grab these two to start. Now we've got colors that look great with this that aren't even the Boho Sunshine. We have got this Carta Bella over here, which is lovely. And look at this right here. Like, that color match is lovely. So we have got lots of good. Let me see how, oh, that looks pretty good against that. So I'll be figuring out how I'm matting things, all of that. Even look at this, guys. Look at this color match. So it's kind of fab because we can have these different textures. We can have all kinds of fun things going on. Now, I've got all of these pieces, right, which is fantastic, but I also have the cardstock add-on kit with 4 different colors of cardstock, and we have 2 of each. So it's one of those nice things, like there's all of these options that I'm totally vibing on. So I will be figuring out the what's what in a minute. I totally love these coffee cups that are in this piece, and there's a reason for that. There's 3 of them somewhere. Oh, there's one right there too. Don't know why I'm so smitten with them, but hey, your girl is, ooh, oh my gosh, these florals. I love that. Okay, I didn't even see that at first. I love these florals, but I love the little icons. Oh, okay, it's gonna be hard to pick. So to start, I know where I wanna start. And pattern papers tend to give me ideas. They just start talking, right? So I want to cut up these stripes and scuff them up. They're not stripes, blobbies of color, right? And I want to scuff them up. And I'm going to trim them a little heavily because I want some of this background paper to show through, right? Because that will be my background. But now I'm thinking that that background will be matted, and then my stripies will go right on top, and then we'll figure out things with this. I will grab some like white cardstock. I always just have some on hand to matte photos, not a big deal. Not from the kit, just in my stash to pop that photo a little bit. I did not print it with a white matte. So much talking. So homework. I will be matting this on this, scuffing up the edges, right? Cutting out my stripes with a pretty heavy hand because I want some of this terracotta color to show through. These will all get popped up on a little foam, plop down, and I'll meet you right back here. So I've got some traction. Let me show you what I have here. This is just matted, no big deal in white, which I may be covering that because I love this frame. I think it is so darn cute. Although the word friendship is not a necessary thing, so I might cover that, who knows. But thought I'd show you my background. I have got these wordy bits. Remember how I was going to use that terracotta paper? I ended up liking the lighter color through this, so fab, that's done. And I told you I was going to cut the stripes, you know, like leave a gap between my cuts, scuffed everything up, everything's popped up on a little dimension, so I have shadow. Great. My daughter's wearing navy, so I wanted her kind of on the navy stripe area. I'm thinking, I cannot believe I took the time to put this photo on this mat because I'm going to totally cover it right up. So I'm going to pop that mat to the side because who knows, I may be able to use it for something else coming up. So let me go ahead and just get this cute mat on here, this frame piece, get as much of my girl on there as I can. I've got all of these bits from scuffing everything up everywhere, but I still want her in that navy stripe. So what I've done is I found a title I liked from the foam stickers. I mean, I like every single title. I think they're fantastic. So I'll also bring in more of those pieces in a minute. But where do we think, and I did learn that this is way stickier than you think. So you better be sure. Ooh, I like it right there. And it can go right over those wordy bits. Oh, I like that idea of having it right there. Okay, so look at us figuring it out. So what I want to do is get my somewhat vintage T-square ruler out to put this up. Make sure she is handy dandy on that. Oh gosh, see, it's so sticky. And I need to make sure we have enough room for it to still look cute coming down. So that's why I'm putting it up a tiny bit higher than I originally planned. Now, I'm gonna need a little bit of foam, adhesive foam stuff on the back of it because this part will be on that part of the frame. So the happy part is going to need to be popped up a little bit. Not a big deal, we can do so. Then I've got these cute pieces in here and I'm gonna see what will work for this because the colors are gonna match so nicely. I love that. These kits that get curated, you just start like pulling things out and you're like, oh wow, that matches, and it doesn't even have to be from that current collection. It's pretty cool stuff, my friends. So I just need a couple little pieces to sneak in here. I'm not super worried about it. I just want to make sure that it doesn't get schlumpy. All right, I'm going to pop that on. Then I want to go through all of these goodies, see what I'm vibing. And then, I mean, I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch every second of my fapping through that because yeah, it can get going for a minute. I just wanted to show you to cover that word because you know how I was saying I just didn't need it. You might see it a tiny bit through there, but you're not going to see it. And then we'll go like that because that is popped up on foam. Perfect. Guys, look at how cute. It's like this cute thing totally done already and I haven't done anything. Okay, let me pull some pieces out and then we'll just tuck, and this one's going to be finished in no time. So I like kind of how these pieces are configured. These are all just from that die cut ephemera pack. I have a couple little buggy bits over here and I also have the cutest little flare. I think they're so darn cute because roasting marshmallows is totally done when you go to your cottage. It just is. So this isn't my cottage that she's at. We actually have a condo up north. This is her fiance's family's cottage. So they're very cool. It's like, I think it's just under 3 hours away from the house and it's so cool, guys. So they had this cottage, right? And it's on a lake and it's really kind of a cool thing. But then the property right next to them went up for sale, I guess, and they bought that one too. So now it's like they practically have like a compound. They have two houses next to each other so they can have their entire families up there, and I think it's super great. I know it's so exciting, but just thought I'd tell you, you know, it's good stuff. So I love these little bits here, these tags, and I thought, not tags, they're like file folder tops. I thought that would be fun, you know, if and when I decided to use them, I wanted to use them all at the same time because I love the idea of these tags. So much fun, summer days, let's camp. So I'm going to take all of these and just tuck them right behind the photo, and you'll be able to see all of those cute words. So stinking cute. Okay, these pieces here. Now, I want to pop some up on foam. I want to leave some flat. I'm going to do that. I've got my little marshmallow. I think it's super cute. My little buggies. So I'm going to get all of those popped on. Put this to the side. Then I used my frame. Guys, there's so much stuff in these kits. It's like you want to use everything. Then we're going to come in after I get all that together, and we'll put some of these pieces on and some of the foamy pieces. Oh, and I also want to find the confetti. Where's my confetti, guys? Here it is. Confetti. And I will put that in my little tray here. Guys, this tray I got at a backyard barbecue, and the people had it for their condiments, like if you want ketchup or something. And I'm like, can I take this home instead of throwing it away? And yeah, I've used it ever since for this. In case anybody wanted to know what my fancy, like, sequin, like, little bits confetti tray is. But yeah, that's what it is. Then I'll put confetti around after I come back and we put those things. Phew. You know, this little bit right here that looks like a stapler, I want to put a staple in it. I do. I just want to put a staple in it. I don't know why. It just seems like it would be cute. So I have that. Really liked that little bit. I like this piece coming down. That piece will get popped up. I have a staple over there. I'm wondering if I should staple something over here. You know what? I could do it where this tape is to bring in a little bit of a silver. Why not? Because we're using it like it's decorative. Cute, just a little something. Now this staple is little because it's a tiny attacher. So why don't I fill up the rest of that area so it's all stapled up? Okay, look, I'm so hip. All right, I'm gonna get all those pieces down like we talked about, and then we'll come back and finish it up together. It's gonna be fab. I've got these pieces on and I think it looks super cute. Love the little buggies, love the haphazard ephemera stuff. So I've got this foam piece. I'm wondering, and I've got these circles. You know what we should do? We should put brads on these plain circles. So we've got sunshine, super cute. I do like that on that. All right, let's put the word sunshine there, and it's like this perfect little white outline, and it plays off of the flare. Cute. And then over here, what would we like? How about this cute rainbow? I like the rainbow. That's cute. So we've got all kinds of these circly things going on, and I think it's super fun. She doesn't have sunglasses on. We've got this here. I might bring these in if I want to kind of pop some things around. Now, we definitely can decorate up these pieces more, but I don't need a ton of wordy bits. Just seeing everything that we have. All right, we have that. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, look at this Oh Happy piece. I like the idea of bringing in some chipboard. So let's get some of this out. Look at this Oh Happy piece. That is adorable. Oops, we might have chipboard pieces flying everywhere. That's okay. Come on. So I'm gonna fight to get these little pieces out. This is what happens when you keep cutting your nails out. You can't get out of pieces. Okay, this one reads Oh Happy, and I think that would be super cute to find these whatever little bits, because I like little things. I love you is really cute. For you, happy day. We have Oh Happy and Be Happy. I think that's enough of the happy. I like this hello. Hello. We can always pop that. I like that. It kind of reads, hello, be happy. So that's super cute. And then over here, we could use some kind of wordy bits. What am I thinking? Let's see. All right, let me faff about for a minute. I'll be right back. Let's just start putting some of these cute things on. I really like the idea of some chipboard. So I want to make sure anything I put on here will show up the, oh my gosh, look at how cute that sun is just sitting there. Okay, means nothing to do with this. I just thought it was adorable and I can't help myself. Then we've got this cute little camera. They're kind of large for these pieces. All right, let's get these things out. We've got a hilarious smiley face. Oh, you can always tuck in, because that looks like a little trio there. You can always tuck in these cute little flowers. I think they're adorable. Oh, here's a navy one that would look fabulous because of her sweater that she has on. Put that there. Can I, oh, no. Oh gosh, let's see if it'll let me get it off or not. It's like, this stuff usually isn't sticky, and for some grand reason, they're actually a little sticky. Okay, we have that. All about these itty bitty ones. Okay, is there another place I can put it? Oh, right there, that's cute. Just like a little cluster, cute. And then, oh, here's another navy one to play off of her ensemble, which I like. We've got a teal one, so we can have the 3 there. Might as well do the 3 going right here as well. Cute. So we've got that. Kind of feel like that one's just floating around now though. We shall not just let it float. I will put that up there. Then what I'm gonna do is just pop a couple of these gorgeous little brads on. And I love that we do not have to, oh, put that right in the middle of the floral, that we don't have to do the poking with it. So cute. Oh, that one's not gonna show that much. Maybe I'll do a couple here. And then what I'm also gonna do is put in a couple of these really cute little confetti bits. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put those on there and we'll show you this finished layout. All right, y'all, this layout is finished. I have my little sprinkly bits on there and they give you just that perfect amount of like iridescent, shiny goodness. I love the little brads. I think those are great. The chipboard, the foam, all of the different finishes all together makes this a fun dimensional layout. So I'm going to have links down below for Mercy Tiara's Kit Club website and the Facebook group. You can see everything going on there, where you can buy your kits, all that kind of stuff. And guys, oh, still shots to follow, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.